Good morning, learners. Welcome to Unified Study. Good morning. Yes, good morning. Good morning, learners. Good morning, Kirtana, Lata, Satya, Purnima, Anand, Bhuvaneshwari. Good morning. Good morning, Kartika, Abudir, Seetal. Good morning. Good morning, Amu Satya. Good morning, Saravana. Good morning. Yes, good morning, Pavani. Pavani, right? Yes, good morning. Yes, Pavani. Yesterday you wrote, right? This is Pavani. Okay, we will start today's class. So today we are preparing for UGC Net Paper 1 and we are this week we are doing our mathematical reasoning. Very important and kind of an analytical chapter unit that you're supposed to cover. Many students used to be get struggled in this topic, but it's be easy when we go in a right path. This topic is said to be very easy, right? And then we are looking after very important topics of mathematical reasoning this week. On that line, today we are going to discuss about the direction sense test. Okay, direction sense test is the topic that we are going to discuss today. What do you mean by direction test and what are all the things that we have to remember? Yes, now we start doing. Yes, Aparna, good morning. Yes, do join all. So those who are new to the channels, please do kindly subscribe the channel and like. And you can go and check the playlist where we have done the paper one things, right? You can do check the playlist of paper one in Unified Study app, Unified Study YouTube channel. Yes. Now we'll start doing our direction sense test. Yes. So now we'll start with the direction test. There are three concepts that we are need to be aware of doing direction sense test. What are all the three things? We will do one by one. First, we are supposed to have a clarity of aware of these directions, right? That we have 8 directions, that is north, south, east, west, and along with that we have what? We have northeast, we have northwest, we have southwest, and we have southeast. So these are the directions that we have with respect to directions. So we have to know, be aware of this 8 directions. Good morning all, welcome, welcome. So this is the first thing that we are supposed to know. So north on your right side, right? Here it is east, and on your left side it is west, and down it is south. And see, when a person is standing here, okay, and he is facing towards north means to his right it is east and to his left it is west, right? Clear? So these are all the basic understanding that we are supposed to have. So when a person is facing towards north means to his, when he turns towards right there is east, and when he turns towards his left there is west. So similarly on the either direction, when a person is standing facing towards south, okay, he facing towards south means to his left, to his right what it is, west is there, towards left is what it is, east is there. So right, similarly for east and for west. Okay, similarly for east and similarly for west, we are supposed to be, you put yourself there at that point. You are standing in one point, and in your front there is north, in your right there is east, in your left there is west, and in your back it is south. You imagine and put yourself in that place. Yes, okay. So whenever they are telling the person is facing towards the sunrise means, it means he was facing towards the east direction. So this is also a point that we are supposed to understand. So when a person is there is a line called, right? A boy is standing, a boy is facing towards the sunrise. It means what? That person is standing towards east. These are all the points, the key points that we have to remember. A boy, a boy facing the sunrise. Facing the sunrise. It means what? That boy is standing towards, facing towards the east direction. Again, a girl is facing towards sunset means what? A girl facing the sunset means what? The girl is facing towards the west side direction. So these are all the things that we are need to know about the 8 directions, and their right and left we are supposed to know. Clear? Right and left. Make yourself stand here. If you are towards north, when you turn towards your right, east will come. When you turn towards your left, west will come. Just understand one direction so that you can apply it on the all other direction. Applied research, right? So you just put it for the one direction, so that if you understand this one north concept, right? One north concept, then that I can move to the next easily. So this boy is turning towards right means what? Towards right means he is turning towards the east direction. When that boy is turning towards left means what? Towards left means what? He is turning towards the west direction. That's all. Simple. Similarly, you can remember for east. When he is turning for left, what will come? When he go for left, he is facing towards the east. When he turns to his left, north will come. When he turns to its right, south will come. Yes, south will come. So similarly for south, similarly for west, we are supposed to remember. This is the first point that we have to remember about the direction sense test. Yes, clear? Clear? Clear, learners? Yes. Now I move to the next one. This is direction with respect to the angles. With respect to angles. Right? With respect to angles. Okay. Have you seen a circle? Circle, right? Yes. Circle, right? How much degree it is? What is the degree of the circle? This is 360 degree. The degree is 360 degree. Yes, right, okay. So when I take 360 degree, what is the half? This half will be 180 degree and the other half will be 180 degree. Yes, 180 degree. Okay, clear. If I take this, further I divide means what will be this degree? This will be 90 degree and this will be 90 degree. The 180 will be divided into 2, 90, 90. Similarly here 90 degree, similarly here 90 degree. Clear? Yes, very good. Again I further divide. Okay. Further I divide what? I further divide this one. Okay. So already it is 90 degree. When I divide it becomes what? It becomes 45 degree. It becomes a 45 degree. Clear? Understood? So the whole is 360. When I divide it to half, it is 180, 180. And when I divide it to further half, it becomes 90, 90, 90, 90. So when I add all things, I will get 360. Again, when I further divide it, what will happen? It will become 45. This becomes 45. And again, this is like a pizza, right? This is like a pizza. This is 45. And this is 45. And this is 45. Like pizza or cake, you can imagine. Right? Like cake or pizza, you can imagine. So when I add all the 45, it will become 360. Yes. Clear? Yes. So this is a basic concept with respect to direction, angles, with respect to angles. So see, and when I stand here, right, when a person turns anti-clockwise, means what? He is standing here. He is facing towards the north. He is facing towards the north. And if we tell he turns anti-clockwise, means what? This direction. Towards what? Towards facing north, and he'll be turning towards west and south. So this direction if he turns means, when he turns to his left means what? Then we call it as anti-clockwise. When a person facing north turns to his left. Okay. Facing north, turn to his left means what? He is turning anti-clockwise. He is turning anti-clockwise. Same, a person facing north turns right means what? He turns clockwise. Right? Remember? So you have to remember these concepts with respect to direction. Second concept with respect to angles. Yes, clear? This is the second concept with respect to angles. Learners, please do like the session. Okay. Next, third point we have to remember is with respect to Pythagoras theorem. Yes. This is with respect to Pythagoras theorem. So what do I mean by Pythagoras theorem? See, this whenever we want to find the shortest distance and all, right, what distance he has away from his home, what is the shortest distance he had to travel. So in that case, we will be applying these concepts, Pythagoras theorem. Say example, a boy starts here. Okay, a boy starts here and he is going to reach this place, but he is going by this direction and then this direction and then he reaches this point. So right, so what will happen when he reaches by this way? This will be the shortest point, and this shortest can be obtained by the a square of this one and b square of this one will be getting the c squared, and then we write as c. That is the shortest distance between the a and c, this point and this point. So to find out the shortest distance, shortest point, okay, to find out how far he is away from his home. So such kind of questions we can do this, use this theorem, Pythagoras theorem. So that we have to be aware of three concepts. One with respect to direction, right? All the 8 directions and left and right, sunrise and sunset we have to remember. And with respect to 2, we are supposed to remember what? The direction with respect to angles 360, 180, 190, 45. Okay, if A says the day turns by 135 degree means what? That's 90 and again this 45. So this angle we are supposed to know, and with respect to clockwise and anti-clockwise we are supposed to be aware. And the third one what? Pythagoras theorem we are supposed to understand. Clear? These are the very basic concepts before doing your direction sense test. Is it easy? Yes. Yes. Yes, clear? Yes. If you are clear, I'll move to different next things. Yes. Clear. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes. Yes. And one more concept with respect to this direction, we are supposed to be aware of this shapes. So suppose a person starts from his home here and he moved towards this direction and moved towards this direction and he moved towards this directions. And what is the how far it's away from his home means see here is a shape formed, right? Here is a shape formed. And somewhere the question may be like this. He started from here, he reached here, and he reached here, and he reached here, and how far is away from his point? So this kind of question can be asked. And some questions can be he started here, he went here, okay, and he went here. What is the distance? So when they ask these kind of question, we should be able to identify the shape of that the covering area, right? This is we call it as a square or rectangle. This can be, if all the sides are equal, then we say it is a square. Yes, if the sides of one is the length and breadth are different, length same and breadth same means then we say it's a rectangle. Whenever these kind of formations comes means it's called a quadrilateral. Okay, in quadrilateral we have different forms. See, this is all rhombus, there will be an angle will be there. So this is all trapezoid, this is all parallelogram. So this kind of shapes that we are supposed to remember when it comes to ask about the shapes. So this is a basic concepts of a direction sense test. Okay, so now we will get into a problem of doing the applying the direction sense test. The first question. One day Rani left home. So whenever this kind of question with respect to direction is asked means what we have to do, we have to draw the direction. First point is that one. We have to draw the direction. North. Some maybe beginners, for them, try to draw the directions. Yes, north, south, east, west is very important. Yes, okay. You just have it on one side. And now come here. The Rani left home and cycled 20 kilometers southwards. So always put it in the middle somewhere, right? So that we can have all the directions. So she traveled 20 kilometers south. So 20 kilometers south. Yes, here she was then. Turned right. When turned right means what? This direction, right? So she turned right and cycled 10 kilometers. Be aware of the distance that you're drawing. This is 10, this is 10. This is 20, this is 10. Okay, 10 kilometer. And from here where she's turning, from here she's turning right. Okay, again right she's turning and she's taking 20 kilometer. Very good, I'm getting answers. Very good, very good. 20 kilometers she's riding here. Okay, and then what she's again doing? 20 kilometer, 10 kilometer, and then 20 kilometer, and then she turned to his left and cycled again the 20 kilometers. Yes, this is 20 kilometers, this is 10 kilometer, and this is also 20 kilometer. How many kilometers will she have to cycle to reach his home straight? Sorry, her home. To reach her home straight. Okay, I'll give you the, try to tell me the answers. Yes. Yes. I'll give you options. I'll give you options. Option A 60, option B 40, option C 30, option C D 20. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Very good. Everyone answering me. Very good. Good, 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 good. Very good. Sri Ramya, Monica, Bhuvaneshwari, Purnima, Pavni, Prabhakar, Lekha, Anu, Kirtana, Lakshmi, Saravanaraj, Sani, Prabhakar, Kishori, Saubhya, Anu, Satya, Sadhana, Saravanaraj, Lakshmi, Lekha. Very good. Super. Good. Good. Right. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. 30. Okay. The answer for this question is 30. How this area is will be what? 10. So whenever you do your exam, so this point to this point we have to calculate, and that is 20 plus 10. 20 plus 10 is equal to 30 kilometer. Whenever you do an exam, be careful of how you write the draw that numbers angle. You have to be very careful. Yes, good. Next problem. This is question number 1. We have got answer 30 kilometers. Very good. Now second question. A man is facing west. A man is, now we do question with the angles. So man is facing west and he turns 45 degree in the clockwise directions, and then another 180 degree in the same direction, and then 270 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. From which direction he is facing now? Yes, easy, right? You just put up, you can draw north, west, east, south for understanding. He is facing west means what? This direction he is facing, right? And where he is turning? He is turning 45 degrees. If you want to have a clarity, you can also draw a line so that will be not make mistake. Okay, draw a line, you will not do a mistake. So he turns 45 degree in the clockwise direction. Clockwise means what? Clockwise means what? This direction, right? So he is here west direction and he turns to the clockwise. So 45 degree. 45 degree he is turning. So half. Okay, in the clockwise. Yes, he had turned. And next one, 45 degree clockwise direction, and then another 180 degree in the same direction. 180 degree means what? Here 145 covers, here 190 covers, 135, again here 145 covers. So again this half. So this is 145, this is 190, and again this is 145. So this attains what? This attains 45 to this one, comes here to 180 degree. So he covers this angle by 180 degree, and then he is standing here now. Okay, now and then 270 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. So from this point again where he is going, 270 in the anti-clockwise, in the reverse direction he is going to go. So where he will be now? Which direction he will be? I will give you the options. Try to write down the answers. I'll give you the options. Try to give the answers. Option A, east. Option B, west. Option C, southwest. Option D, southeast. Fast. So see, I have drawn the, till this line I have drawn. You have to decode this line. 270 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. You have to go reverse. North, west, east. This is northwest. This is southwest. This is southeast. And this is northeast. Very good. Very good. Mixed answers I am getting. Please do draw. Please do draw. Take your paper, take your pen, draw. If you do mistakes, strike it out, do it again. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. I'm getting mixed answers. Very mixed answers I'm getting. Very good. So from here we have to go back with the 270 degree, right? Yes. So here till here he goes with 180. So 90, From here to here 90, here to here 90, here to here 90, and where it will be. Yes. Shall I start? Yes. So this is 145 degree. I'll get in another ink. This is 145 degree. This is 180 degree. This whole one will be 190 degree. Yes. Yes. Sorry, this is 90. This is 90. 90. 135 again here, and he comes here. So to take this whole from this point to this point. Yes. So if he comes here means 270 degree. This 190, this 190, this 145, this 145. So 3 into 90, 270. The answer is southwest. The answer is southwest. Clear? Yes. Yes, clear. So see, in this June 23 and March 23, we have so many questions being asked in this mathematics and this, what is that? Direction sense test. There are many questions being asked from direction sense test. Please do understand the basic concepts of how to draw, how to understand. Then it will be definitely be easy for you all. Right? Okay? Right. And today in app, we are going to discuss these kind of questions which been asked in 23 question. Those who are new to the channel, those who are new to the application of Unified Study, we are offering So this is a Unified Study channel where kindly do visit unifiedstudy.com. There we give you PYQs practice, and we do live classes daily in paper 1 and paper 2. And here we are doing the latest pattern questions, and then we are also have the free mock test and paid mock test. Free mock test is there. On free mock test, we are doing data interpretation, data interpretation, and we have reading comprehension. And exclusively, we have 10 DI for free, and the all other DIs are doing for the paid courses, right? And so far we have done 21 DIs in the app sessions, right? Total 21 and 10 free and 11 we have done under the paid session. And similarly, we have started with the 1 day 1 RC concept. Daily we have started doing our RC. So till Sunday it will be available for free. 5 RC will be available for free. And from Monday onwards you'll be having the paid RCs. You'll be getting till your examinations. So doing 1 DI and 1 RC will give you boost, and that is going to give you 20 marks. If you do it with your high at most confidence, and if you put your hard work in preparing for that 20 marks, that is going to help you for getting your JARA for your net. There are many people who lost their marks in DI. This practice of doing DI regularly will make your mind and brain to get practiced towards it. So, and also practice the PYQs of other units questions in paper 1 and also in paper 2. You can just visit the app for the paid courses, and we have given a super 20 discount here. You'll be getting on all the courses 20% discount of that amount that have been given here, right? So this is going to be a kind of an investment where we are going to learn here. Just we are going to learn and to do well in your examinations, right? So we are going to do in YouTube and also in the app sessions, and we are going to do our 1 day 1 DA and 1 day 1 RC. Along with that, we are also doing our PYQs practice, right? So to get to be explored of doing your PYQs, to be aware of the latest topics being asked, kindly do join the course to get benefited, right? So now we start with our direction sense test. If you have any doubt, you can just put it in the comment section, or you can ask me so that I will just clarify you. Now we get into the concept. Yes, you understand the concept of direction sense test now? Yes, now I move to the next question. This is a kind of a different question. Monica, we will discuss, Monica, don't worry. RC will discuss. In our app session, we will discuss. In our app session, we will discuss. Don't worry. Nasrin, you have asked 270 degree. See, 270 degree means what? I draw it again. Each one we call 90 degree. Yes. Now that person is exactly at this point. So he was to go 270 degree in anti-clockwise direction. So this one 45. And again this one 90 degree. Again this one 90 degree. Again this 45. 45 means he has to stop with that southwest. In this direction he has to stop. So this is 145. So when I add all these things, I will be getting 270. So this is this 270. So 45 here, 90 here, 90 here, 45 here, and now he will be in the direction of southwest. Clear? Understood? Yes? Very good. Super. Good. Good. Now we move to this problem. Read this problem. Read this problem. Goku started from his house towards the north direction. Yes, Nasrin, it's southwest. Goku started from his house towards north direction. So towards front he is walking. Okay. So this is a starting point A. And he walked towards north direction. After covering 80 kilometers. So he was walking and he's walking for 80 kilometers. So when he reaches the point of 80 kilometers, what he does, this is 80 kilometer, what he does, he turns to his left. So this left is this direction, right? And again he covered a distance of 60 kilometers. 60 kilometers. He stops there. And they have asked you what is the shortest distance from his house now. So we have to tell what is the shortest distance. This is the shortest distance, right? This is the shortest distance. So here what we are going to do, we are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. Yes. Now we are going to apply this formula and we are going to get the answer for this question. Yes, easy. I'll give you the options. Shall you try? Yes. Yes, do try. Yes. What will be the answer? 80 square is what? 6400. So BC square is what? 3600. So when I add, what will be coming? 10,000. AC square is equal to 10,000. Then AC is equal to what? 100 kilometers. Yes. If he walks for this distance, he covers 140 kilometers. But now he covers by 100 kilometers. Understood? Understood the concepts of data direction sense test? Clear? Yes. Yes, very good, very good. Now I'll give you one more problem and then we'll go for some kind of a PYQs. Yes, clear? Very good. Go on to the next question. Next question. Kunal walks 10 kilometers towards north. From there, he walks 6 kilometers towards south. Then he walks 3 kilometers towards east. How far and in which direction is he with reference to his starting point? Kunal is here. Always draw the direction north, west, south and east. North, west, south, east. Kunal walks towards north. See, here they have asked 2 points. How far and which direction? How far and which direction? Students may do mistake in this problem. That's why. Okay, he walks towards north. How many kilometers? 10 kilometers he has been walked. Okay, 10 kilometers he had walked. From there, He walks 6 kilometers towards south. Kunal walks 10 kilometers towards north. From there, he walks 6 kilometers towards south. How? Again, you have to draw another line. Yes. Yes. I'll make a bigger one. 10 kilometers north. He reaches here. And then again he would have missed his route. So he's coming back again, and he reaches the 6 kilometers. Very good, very good. I'm getting answers. He's coming back 6 kilometers towards south. This is 6 kilometers. And then he walks from here, he walks 3 kilometers towards east, that is 3 kilometers towards east here. How far he is from which direction and with reference to his starting point. So this is his starting point, right? So the whole is 10 kilometer and this will be 4 kilometer. And what will be this kilometer? This will be 3 kilometer. And we have to tell what is this kilometer. Yes, simple. Yes. What is the answer? Options I'll give you. Yes, options I'm giving you. Option A, option B, option C, option D. 5 kilometer north. 7 kilometer north. 7 kilometer northeast. 5 kilometer northeast. Which one is the answer? Very good, very good, very good, very good. Very good. See, this is the point he had started and he moved towards north. Many of them have got confused with the options. If would have I given an option of 5 kilometers southwest, many of them would have done south. Don't delete the message. How, ma'am? 5 kilometer northeast. See, he started from here, right? This point he had started and he moved towards what? Moved towards north. Okay, he moved towards the north. Only when he comes below this point, south will come. Only when he comes below this point, right? This point will come south. Until then, it is north only. Until then, it is north only. Yes. If he comes below this point, here if he comes means then it will become a south. Until then, it is north. Okay, so he goes here again, he forgets something, he comes back here and here he takes a move towards east, that is 3 kilometer. Okay, and now how far is from this A point to this point? So definitely this is towards north, right? And this is towards what? Northeast. Northeast. Yes. This is towards northeast. So how to find out this direction? So 4 squared plus 3 squared. What is 4 squared? 16 plus 9. So that is equal to 25. Right. Then this is C squared. The shortest distance is equal to C is equal to 5 kilometer. And 5 kilometer and is facing towards northeast direction. Lakshmikant, it's not southwest or southeast, it is northeast. Only when he comes below this point A, only when he comes below this point, that will become south. Until then, it is north. Clear? Until then, it is north. Very good, very good, very good. Those who have confused with the south, don't get confused. When he goes below this A point only, it becomes south. Until then, it is north direction. Okay, clear? Yes, very good, very good, very good. Please learners, do like the channel. Please do like. I should not ask and get the likes, right? It's wrong. That we have to give by our own. Okay. Next problem, next one, next one. Yes, next problem. The man is facing south. Is it visible? Okay. Yes. Yes, I have done it. See, guys, don't worry about the answers. Try to understand whether you can get your concepts inside. That is most important. Okay. Yes. Now clear, Rajalakshmi? Yes, okay. This is a PYQ. This is a PYQ. Previous year question. A man is facing southwards. He turns right and walks 25 meters. And again he turns right and walks 15 meters. Now he turns left and walks 15 meters. And again he turns right and walks 25 meters. Now he turns right again and walks 70 meters. In which direction is the man now from the starting point? Easy peasy. Yes, it's easy peasy. All right, left, right, left, right, left. That's all. Very good. Getting answers. Very good. Very good. So man facing southwards. So southwards he turns to its right. Which is his right? Which is his right? This one will be his right. Okay? Yes. And he walks 25 kilometers. He walks 25 kilometers. Yes. And again he is here. He's taking right and walks 15 meters. Yes, 15 meters. Yes. And he turns to his left and walks 15 minutes. 15 meters. Yes, 15 meters. Yes. And again he takes right and walks 25 meters. I'm sorry, I put top. 25. Then top. And then 15. So this is 25. And this is 15. Again 115. And then again he walks for 25 meters. And now he turns right and walks for 70 meters. Okay, 70 means what? 70 means what? This 15 we have to cover. Okay, 15 I have covered. And this 25 I have to cover. So 40 I have covered. I come to this 40. And again we have to cover 30. Okay, so this whole we call it as 70. So then make this point as the center point. This point as a center point. Then what direction he'll be then? He'll be in the direction of northeast. Very good. Northeast. Why ma'am? Northeast. See, he's starting here. Okay. And he's facing southwards. Okay. Facing southwards. Downwards he. And now he coming up. Okay. So now he comes to the north position. Yes. Yes. Clear? Very good. Very good. I'm getting very nice answers. Very good. Shall we move to the next problem? Have you drawn? Yes. We have so many questions like this, right? Yes, very good, very good. Next question, moving to next question. Please be clear with the distance that you draw. Sometimes you may also ask how far he is from his distance. That's fine. Not clear. Why, Sudha? Why, Sudha? Why? So he started here, right? The direction is what? North, south, east and west. So he is here. He is here, right? You just put an imaginary line here. You put an imaginary line here. Okay. This is the middle point. And what they have told, he is facing southwards. Southwards. So he is facing southwards. He is turning back and facing southwards. So facing southwards, he takes his right. So it means what? This direction will be obviously north, right? This will be north, right? How to draw? 70. See Lakshmi, he started from here, 15 crossed here, again 15 crossed here, again 15 crossed here, and then, okay, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes. So see here, he comes again here with 25 kilometers. Okay. So what we have to do is, we have to cover 70 meters. How to cover 70 meters? See, till this point, 15 kilometers is here. Till this point, right, 25 kilometers is here. And then we have to cover this 30 kilometers. So 25 plus 15 plus 30, 70. Okay. This point. If they ask you, if in this question I will ask you one question, how far he is from this original distance, means how, what is the answer? What is the answer if they ask you how far he is from his source point? In this point, how far means we have to find out, right? How can we write? We have to be aware of this length. How to identify this length? You take, just come to this point, imaginary point. Okay. See, this is 25 kilometers and this is 15 kilometers. So exactly this 20 plus 50 will 40 will come here. So this distance will also be 40 kilometers. So 40 kilometer here plus 30 kilometer here, and this will be, shortest distance will be what? Here it is 1600, sorry, 40 kilometer plus 30 kilometer, 1600 plus 900, 2500, that is what? 50 kilometers. So the shortest distance is 50 kilometers. Clear? You got the point? You got the point? Yes? Yes or no? Yes. I put downwards, come north, west. Okay. Okay. So they are now clear. Very good. Very good. So you may be also be asked to write the from what is the starting point, what distance you had covered. You may also be asked. Yes, clear. Good. 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 Very good. Very good. Yes. Yes. Next problem. This is a previous year question, ECPC question. Next question. Yes, same kind of question. A person starts from point A and walks towards 30 kilometers north and 20 meters west and reaches a point B. Therefore, he takes southward turn and walks 10 meters to point C. After that, he turns eastward and covers 15 minutes to reach D. Finally, taking his right, he walks 20 meters. Find the distance from the starting point to the ending point. Yes, start doing. Start doing. Yes. Yes, shall we start doing? Yes, we will start. So a person is here. Am I getting answers? No. All are doing. So a person starts from point A. From point A. And he walks 30 meters in north direction. So he was walking in the north direction 30 meters. Yes, 30 meters he have walked. And then 20 meters towards west. So towards north he is walking north, west, northwest, east, south. Towards north he is walking and then 20 meters towards west. So here he takes left and walks 20 meters. 20 meters west he walks, okay, and reaches a point B. Here this is the point B, this is the point A. Thereafter he takes a southward turn. He turns southward and walks 10 meters. Okay, 10 meters he walks. 10 meters he walks. This is 30, this is 20, this is 10 meters. This is A, this is B, and this is C. After that, he turns eastward. Eastward means which direction? From here, which is the eastward direction, and this is the eastward direction. He covers 15 meters to reach point D. Finally, to his right, again to his right, he walks 20 meters. 20 meters. Find the distance from his starting point. Very easy, I have drawn. You just have to say what is the distance. Very good, very good. Very good. Very good, very good. Everyone gave the answers. Very good. Satya, Tutu, Lakshmi, Sophie, Binita, Purnima, Lopa, Monica, Kishori, Shriramya, Bhuvaneshwari, Deepa, Muthulakshmi, Rohit. Good. Abudakir, very good, very good. See, that is why I am telling you, be conscious about the distance. What is from C point to this point? How much you have covered? 15. What is this imaginary line would be? 5 meters, right? Again from this point to this point, what you have reached? He have eastward goes 15 meters and then 20 meters, right? This is 20 meters. This is 20 meters. Why this is 20 meters? From why I have stopped here? Why I have stopped here? Because this is 10 and this is 20. This imaginary line will be 20 kilometers. That's why this two ends the same line. Okay. So that is why the distance from the starting point and ending point is 5 meters. So this distance will be what? This distance will be 5 meters. Clear? Yes? Interesting? Are you all doing? Yes? Very good, very good, very good. Now I'll be going to give you a homework problem to you. Try to solve the problem and write the answer in the chat box after completing this class. Okay. Hope you all like the session. Those who are new to the channel, please do subscribe the channel and like the video. And you can get into the study.com for more PYQ practice that we are doing for December 2023, and we also give you Super 20 offer for those who are new to the channel, and this offer valid till 5th of October. Yes, so we'll be doing more PYQs practice, and by 12th we'll be completing and we'll be doing only PYQs on app and also in the YouTube sessions, right? And in app there we have 10 DIs. You can do it for free, and also we are doing regular DA till the exam. We are going to do our DA and RC. Please do learn us. You can visit the unifiedstudy.com for doing your DA practice. Yes, very good, super, good. Do this problem as a homework and put the answer in the comment box. Note down this question. Note down this question and try to do this problem and write the answer in the comment section, which will be answered through the comment. Yes? Okay. Very good, very good. Okay, see all at today. The paid learners are here. Yesterday's class been rescheduled to 2 o'clock today. Okay, as you all requested, it has been rescheduled to 2 o'clock today, and also we have our 8 o'clock session also. So today we are going to have two app sessions. We are going to have two app sessions. Don't forget to join. Today we are going to have two app sessions today. One at 2 o'clock in the afternoon and another in the night. Okay, this is in the afternoon and this is in the night. So do join for two app sessions. There we are going to discuss the more questions on profit or loss and the other topic questions of mathematical reasoning. Yes, very good. Sudha, this question is being asked in this year. This year question it is. Yes. This is shape problem. Do write your answers. Very good. Thank you so much. Tata. Bye bye. See you. Bye.